welcome back on this Tuesday, because that's when I work, not Monday. And Sean's going to town, working away on the 56 Ford fenders, getting them prepped for paint. He's taking them to 400 like we do everything. What we're going to be doing today, though, is we're going to be getting the doors on the Nova. Doors, fenders, and hood, fitting it all. We're going to be speckle painting inside the trunk area. We got all this painted inside here now. We never did that when we did the jams. You had to do it separate because the car has all the headliner interior stuff in it. And people never understand how long this takes to try and mask all this. And try getting the tape to stick to any of it is another nuisance. Something for an hour worth of paint time takes you 2 or 3 hours to mask it up. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is we're going to start putting doors on and hopefully get this bad boy together by the end of the day. Alright, let's rock and roll. Okay, so there we go. The doors are on. They're lining up for the height pretty good. Like I say, we always leave the latches off. That's the last thing you want to do. So right now what we're going to do is start putting the fenders on and figuring out the heights from that. And then when you get the fender on, that'll give us our in and out where the door has to be. And then we got to fit the hood. So it's all a puzzle. You just got to slowly keep working at it. That's it. Alright guys, we got the fenders on, the door is on, everything's lining up good. Perfect. Seems to be. The doors just closed with a click click. And I also managed to get done, which we're going to let it dry up here overnight. The speckle paint in the trunk. This is the black with the aqua or turquoise, whatever you want to call it. We got all that redone in there for the customer. He wanted that done. Now you must put a clear coat over this. If you do not clear coat this stuff, as soon as it gets any kind of water on it, it'll just wrinkle and fall off. So, but you must let it dry up really well. That's why we're going to let it dry overnight. Tomorrow we'll be clear coating that. And then we'll be fitting the hood hinges on and the hood on to make sure. Oh, we did fit the trunk. The trunk is all good, so that's good. So that's it. We just got to do hood hinges tomorrow and fit the hood, and then the hood will come back off, obviously, to paint all the jams and that. We'll leave the hood off. We leave the hood and the trunk off when we're painting. But that is it. That's what's happening there. And Sean's been working away on the 56 Ford parts all day. So everything's just rolling along here on this Tuesday. So that's it for now. Guys, last Sunday fun day, I said that Don got hold of me, an old body man. And he said he'd done body work for 40 years. And he said, he said to me, I thought it was funny, he said, I'm hoping to turn 82 in May. Well, you'll make it to 82, Don. Anyway, he said he wanted to send me something, and it's arrived today. I have no clue what it is. I told him when he was on the phone, I said, well, you don't have to do that. I don't need gifts from people watching. But if you're going to send me something, don't tell me what it is. I want to be surprised. So we'll see. It's a huge box, but it's very light. So I don't know what Dawn has sent me here, but we'll figure it out. It's not very often we get mail. We used to get mail a bit here and there. Oh. Okay. Oh wow. What do we got here? Hang on a second. Okay. Let me move this. There we go. So it arrived early because he said it was going to arrive on Thursday, or no, Wednesday, and it arrived today here on Tuesday, which is good. What is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, these are like reproduction signs of, what's it say here? Feature presentation. I like how that's old school. Look at that. And there's another one here. Oh, I can't believe this. Okay. Drive-in, family night. How cool. Now, let's make sure there's nothing else in there. Look at that. How cool is that? You gotta love it. No, it's reproduction, but that's okay. I love this stuff. If you look around, half my stuff in my shop is reproduction, half is original. And we love this kind of stuff. Thank you so much, Don. God, you make me want to wish there was a drive-in theater here. I want to go to the movies now. That's all right. Yeah, I'm just making sure. I don't want to cut myself on this knife. Thank you so much. No letter, no nothing, but do we have Don's address? Hopefully my wife will find it on the box. You got to send me something, Don. Don, if you're watching this, you said you watch all my videos. I don't know if you write into my videos. Just write to me and tell me what size t-shirt you are. I want to give you a t-shirt. So tell me what size t-shirt. I'm going to throw you some decals in an envelope and we're going to mail them to you. This is awesome. This is awesome. Now, look at that. I think just like that. What do you think, babe?
Looks good.
Yeah, she's filming. My wife's filming, so I think like that kind of, or something like that, hanging somewhere. That is so cool. Thank you so much. Well, on that note, it is Tuesday, and we're filming. I've been filming all day today, doing the Nova. I'm going to continue this filming tomorrow on Wednesday, back on the Nova. We're working away, so I want to thank Dawn very much again for this. I can't say thank you enough, and we'll continue this video tomorrow, and I'll try and get this stuff hung up before I go away, Dawn. But if I don't, definitely on the following Sunday Fun Day, you'll see it hung up for sure. Remember, I'm not here this Sunday. Okay, guys, we'll be back tomorrow. See ya. I'm back real quick. I found an envelope on the back. I was getting all excited thinking how to hang it up, and I got an envelope. Rick Han gives me his address. He's in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin. That's a long ways away. I think it's just an envelope with his address on it. I don't think there's anything in here. Better make sure. Oh, there's a note! Okay, Dawn's giving us a note, everyone. Excellent. Hang on, Dawn. Hope you realize, Dawn, that I may not be able to read this. I'm only grade 8 educated. Yeah, you know. Here we go. My wife's laughing at me. Oh boy. I'm going to take my glasses off for this one. Rick, as I said on the phone, I have been doing cars for many years. I will be 82 in May, so I'm winding down my car stuff. I want to pass along some stuff to people I know will appreciate it. I like you and your show, and I look forward to each episode. Keep up the good work. Dawn. I know your first name is Dawn. I can't read the last name. Fenning? Fenning. Dawn Fenning. Okay, Dawn. Well, there you go. I got the note. And again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And definitely, we've got your phone number and all that. Definitely, you're going to see a t-shirt in the mail. But I need to know what size, Dawn. So write to me, or I'll just call you. Okay? See you guys.
Okay, Sean is working away. So if you remember yesterday, we got the fenders and the doors on lined up. We painted inside the trunk. We fitted the trunk lid. We still haven't fit the hood yet. We got to do that. But right now, this is guide coat you see on here, and you block it down, look for any highs or lows, but it shouldn't be. He's got the hood done into 600. He's got the roof done into 600. So right now, we're taking her down, getting her ready to go for paint. And there we go. It's all speckle painted, like you saw. So this car will be ready to rock and roll. We're just getting her done and get her out of here. It'll be ready to go. What's today? Today is Wednesday. Yeah, it'll be over Friday. It'll be ready Friday. I don't see why it wouldn't be, except for maybe fitting the hood because I'm gone away on a little vacation here. But looking good. Looking good. And that's the color it's going. Chateau Slate. I don't know if you can see that. It might look silver in the camera, but it's got a real blue tinge to it. It's got a nice fine metallic that just pops in the sunlight. So you're probably wondering, well, you painted that right now. Well, that was because we were trying to get paint in between the lavers here. So this here now, we'll just Scotch Brite that and repaint that, right? It's just if you would have tried to mask all this off, the paint in here, you would have had hard, sharp lines. So it's better to leave it like that. And you just Scotch Brite it. But yeah, she's ready to rock and roll. Excellent. Yeah, there you go there. See? 600. And there it is again, the trunk lid inside. There's the color. I don't know if it looks blue there. It definitely looks blue from this angle. So Chateau lace on the bottom with a black top. And apparently that was an SS option only. You didn't get that in the plain Chevy tubes. The only thing on the SS's. And this color is the code coming off the firewall for this car. So that's pretty cool. Factory 327, 4-speed posi-track rear end car. Very nice.
So that's what's happening here today. Just gonna keep working away on the old Nova. Okay, so while Sean's on the Nova today, because I was on it yesterday, I'm done with it, I am back on to, what else? The 62 C10. And the only rust we got to do is this cab corner. So as you can see, I've cut the cab corner out. I've got the new support put in place underneath this panel. And I've started to do this floor panel here. The next will be the cab corner. So that's where I am on that. I'm working on that, keeping everything up to snuff. It might seem like this truck was taking a while and there's lots of videos of it. It's only because I'm spending a few hours here and there. I didn't just go straight on it. Had I gone on this truck straight to do all the floor support, rockers, cab corners, probably would have been, you know, I don't know, would have been out of, that would have been done within the first 2 weeks, right? But I just kind of been using it as a, using it as a filler here and there. So the main thing is, that's the last thing. That's the main thing. Okay, so with that being said, I'll take one more look in there. I think the man is he's plugging away in there, sanding her, getting her ready. Never takes too long to get a vehicle in the 600. It's getting it up to 600 takes a little bit of time, but when you finish it in 600, the last bit, it's basically just a real soft pad on the machine on a 6-inch orbital. Like I say, soft pad, and just run over it in 600 just to get rid of any fine scratch marks, right? Usually we do that with base coat, clear coat. Some people might finish in 400. There's a chance you might have some marks showing through. Some people have gone as far as 800. We like 600. Sometimes you sand it too smooth, because as the number goes up on the sandpaper, if that makes sense, as the number goes up, that means that the it's like a finer, right? So sometimes when you sand it too smooth, it's almost like the paint ain't got nothing to stick to. So I don't know. We tried 800 way back in the past, and we found that sometimes the paint didn't adhere as good. 400 left a few little marks and some indications. 600 was perfect. So you got to be really careful. Silver, that color of silver, that's a silvery blue, but any kind of silvers, because they show all sand marks. Some colors don't, some do, and silver's one of the ones that does. Anyway, with that being said, again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I'm out of here. You're not going to see a Sunday Fun Day video because I'm taking off. I don't know, or so we think we are. The wife and I don't know if we're going right now, because now they're talking that the our route up there is supposed to get something like 15 or 25 centimeters of snow tonight. There's a big warning coming in that there's snow rolling right through the number 3 and the highway we're supposed to take and all that. And if that does, my trip is just, it's screwed. I won't be going nowhere. I'll be out here working, and you'll get a Sunday Fun Day. So I won't know till the morning. We're going to risk it and see what happens. Leave it to the last minute. And we'll just find out. I don't know. It's just the way it is. Mother Nature, I guess, was nice to me all year. I didn't get no snow through the winter, and I thought I had upped her one. And now it's my vacation time, and where I got to go, she's moving in a huge storm front. So she's just effing me right now. That's all right. That's all right. Shit happens. So I don't know, I might be here Sunday, but if I'm not here Sunday, you know why I got on my trip. Stay tuned, though. I will post lots of short videos on my Facebook page. I'll try and find old cars while I'm up in the Okanagan and post them for you and show you some cool shit. So that's the plan. Okay, guys, it's always good time at old time, and I'll catch you whenever I catch you.